Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Grammar and Writing Academy, your destination for mastering English. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic in grammar: correlative conjunctions. These are special pairs of conjunctions that work together to connect words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance in a sentence. But before we start, let me ask you a quick question. Think of these two sentences. Which one is correct? Either I call you and I send a message. Or, either I call you or I send a message. If you hesitated about the answer, don't worry. Today's lesson will make everything clear and simple. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use correlative conjunctions correctly, with no confusion at all. Let's start. First of all, what are correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions are special conjunctions that always work in pairs. You cannot use one without the other. Think of them like shoes, gloves, scissors. Definition: correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that connect equal parts of a sentence. Now, let's learn the most important pairs one by one. 1. Both. And. We use both. And to talk about two things together, both and connects two things that are true at the same time. Examples: 1. Both Ali and Omar like English. 2. Both the teacher and the students were happy. 3. Both my father and my mother work hard. 4. Both reading and writing are important skills. 5. Both the book and the notebook are on the desk. Advice: use both, and only when both ideas are correct, and keep the grammar the same on both sides. 2. Either, or. We use either, or when there is one choice. Either, or means one option, not both. Examples: 1. Either I call you or I send a message. 2. Either you study hard or you fail the test. 3. Either my brother or my sister will help me. 4. Either we leave now or we will be late. 5. Either you listen carefully or you miss the lesson. Advice: never use and with either. If you use either, you must use or. 3. Neither. Nor. We use neither. Nor to talk about two negative choices. Neither. Nor means both choices are false. Examples: 1. Neither Ahmed nor Sarah was late. 2. Neither the book nor the pen is mine. 3. Neither my friends nor I like loud music. 4. Neither the teacher nor the students were angry. 5. Neither the cat nor the dog is in the house. Advice: use neither nor for negative meaning and make the verb agree with the nearest subject. 4. Not only, but also. We use not only, but also to add extra information with emphasis. Not only, but also. Add strong extra information. Examples: 1. She is not only smart, but also kind. 2. He not only studied hard, but also got full marks. 3. She is not only a good student, but also a leader. 4. He not only plays football, but also swims well. 5. The lesson was not only easy, but also fun. Advice: always keep the sentence parallel. Same tense and same form on both sides. 5. Whether, or. We use whether, or, when talking about possibilities. Whether, or, is used when the result does not change. Examples: 1. I don't know whether he is coming or not. 2. Whether you like it or not, you must study. 3. She asked whether we were ready or late. 4. I can't decide whether to read or watch TV. 5. Whether it rains or shines, we will play. Advice: use whether. Or, when you're talking about possibilities, not choices you control. All right, everyone, let us have an exercise to check your understanding. But before we start, let's get our minds ready. Remember, the key to a perfect answer is understanding the meaning of the sentence, not rushing. Let's go. Fill in the blanks with the correct correlative conjunction. Choose the correct pair of correlative conjunctions to complete each sentence. Read these 5 sentences well. Try to think of the answers and write them in the comments down. Before you answer, think first, choose wisely, and match the correct pair that fits the idea. You've got this. Let's focus, do our best, and show how strong our grammar skills really are. Now let's check the answers. Question 1. The answer. Either. Or, you can either go to the movie or stay home and relax. We use either. Or, when we are choosing one of 2 options, not both. Here, the person must choose between going out or staying home. Question 2. The answer is both. And she is both talented and hardworking. Both and is used to show that 2 qualities are true at the same time. She is talented and hardworking together. Question 3. The answer is neither. Nor. Neither my brother nor my sister went to the concert. Neither nor is used when both options are negative. It tells us that none of them went to the concert. I hope it becomes more easier and clear now. Just follow the instructions to have the perfect answers. Now let's move to another sentence. Question 4. The answer is whether. Or, I don't know whether to bring my umbrella or wear a raincoat. Whether or is used when someone is uncertain or unsure between 2 choices. Question 5. The answer is not only, but also. She is not only smart, but also kind. We use not only, but also to show that someone has more than one quality, and the second quality adds extra emphasis. She is smart, and in addition, she is kind. All right, grammar stars. Excellent work. If you understood this exercise, you're officially mastering correlative conjunctions. Are you ready for the next challenge? I think you are. Let's go. Exercise 2. Rewrite the sentences using the correct correlative conjunction. Rewrite the sentences by adding the correct correlative conjunctions where necessary. Use these conjunction pairs. Now, it's your turn to shine. In this exercise, you'll rewrite sentences using correlative conjunctions. Take your time, read each sentence carefully, and remember, these conjunctions always work in pairs, like best friends. Don't rush, think, choose, and rewrite. You've got this. Sentence number 1. The correct answer is, she likes both chocolate and vanilla ice cream. We use both and to show that 2 things are true together. She doesn't like just one flavor, she likes the 2 of them. Hope it is easy and clear. Let's have another one. Sentence number 2. The correct answer is, he neither read the book nor watched the movie. Let's explain it. Neither nor is used for 2 negative ideas. It tells us that both actions did not happen. Sentence number 3. The correct answer is, I can either go to the park or stay at home. Let's explain it. We use either. Or, when we must choose one option, not both. Sentence number 4. The correct answer is, she plays not only the piano but also the guitar. Let's explain it. Not only, but also is used to add emphasis. It shows that the second skill is extra and impressive. Sentence number 5. The correct answer is, he didn't decide whether to join us for lunch or stay at home. We use whether or to talk about 2 possible choices when someone is uncertain or undecided. In this sentence, he is choosing between joining us for lunch and not joining, which means staying at home. So, whether or is the correct correlative conjunction pair. And just like that, you've officially mastered correlative conjunctions. Give yourselves a big clap. Yes, even if you're watching alone. If this video helped you, made grammar clearer, or saved you from saying not only, and also, then don't keep it a secret. Hit the like button, share it with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe to Grammar and Writing Academy. Because grammar is way more fun when we learn it together. Your support keeps this channel alive, motivated, and full of awesome lessons just like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep your grammar strong. Goodbye.